Since its foundation in 1988, Tunnel Engineering Consultants, or TEC, has worked on many projects around the world and has become the world-leading design consultant for immersed tunnels. Tunnels are becoming more and more popular, especially in areas where intensifying traffic flows need to be separated, like in big cities and busy port areas. Nowadays, driving through a tunnel is almost as common as driving on the regular road, but a lot of work and smart thinking has been put in there before such a passage is possible. We would like to introduce you to the world of tunneling. We would like to introduce you to the world of TEC. Immersed tunnels consist of a number of individual elements, normally constructed off-site in a casting basin. What's special about an immersed tunnel element is that it must be able to float during the construction phase, but must remain submerged once immersed. The geometric design of the tunnel is therefore a balancing act for the designer, bringing together these two opposite requirements while still allowing sufficient space for traffic and safety. The use of ballast water during execution and ballast concrete in the permanent situation is the key to this safe equilibrium. To allow flotation, the tunnel elements are temporarily sealed at either ends using bulkheads, thereby creating floatable boxes. At the embankments on shore, cut and cover sections are being constructed. These cut and cover sections provide a base for the immersion of the tunnel elements. TEC has gained much experience in the design of cut and cover tunnels, deep building pits, and all other related aspects, not only from immersed tunnel projects, but also from other underground infrastructure projects, including metro projects and road and rail tunnels in urban environment. Immersed tunnels are often placed in pre-dredged trenches in rivers or on the seabed. Any environmental concern related to dredging, often a key aspect for the success of these projects, can be taken care of by the experts at TEC. TEC's work includes the selection of the most suitable foundation for immersed tunnels through geotechnical and geological analysis. It has expertise for the various types of foundation systems and has extensive experience in their application. Key to this technology is the immersion process. TEC is well experienced in the design of all temporary works for the transport and immersion of the tunnel elements, as well as in the design of the rubber seals and special facilities required for the immersion process. It is this part only that normally is being constructed by specialized international contractors. After initial contact, a difference in water pressure is created in order to compress the GINA profile. Next, omega seals are fitted to form a permanent watertight seal. Infill concrete is used to protect the seals and to secure its longevity. The elements are then fixed using backfill and protected with rock armor to safeguard the tunnel from dropping anchors or even sinking ships. The closure joint is the final part of the immersed tunnel, generally some 1.5 meters in length. Its purpose is to allow the immersion of the last element. In this section, the hydrostatic pressure in the tunnel needs to be secured. This is normally done by the application of 2 wedges and subsequent concreting of the floor, the roof slab and walls. After the onshore cut and cover sections have been constructed, the tunnel elements can be immersed against it and sequentially connected. In parallel with the immersion operation, the onshore sites can be finished. In general, the tunnel exhausts and service buildings are placed onshore. Most of the remaining area can be used for economic development. Once the tunnel elements have been placed, the tunnel finishing can be applied. This includes the tunnel lighting, ventilation, all sorts of intelligent traffic guidance systems, firefighting equipment, and of course the road pavements. These aspects relate to important disciplines, including traffic, safety, and electromechanical engineering. While only installed at the end of the construction process, all of these aspects are key to the design of the tunnel. TEC has all the required expertise and disciplines in-house, and is therefore able to provide a total solution and integral design to clients around the world. TEC provides all necessary expertise and has a proven track record of delivering successfully completed projects to satisfied clients. TEC has worked for contractors in design and build contracts and is recognized for its practical and constructible designs. TEC has also served many public clients and owners, assisting them in realizing their project, including clients for which immersed tunneling was a first experience. But most importantly, TEC has contributed to projects that have brought people together from both sides of the water.